Today we will be making a walnut and a tall nut, and these are the materials. Round 1, do a magic ring. Chain and 8 single crochet inside the ring. For round 2, pull the tail of the yarn and then do a increase in each for 16 stitches. For round 3, single crochet in the first, and then increase in the next, or 2 single crochet in that same stitch. Repeat in each for 24 stitches around. For round 4, do a single crochet in the first, and then mark it, and then single crochet in the next, and then increase in the next. Repeat in each for 32 stitches around. For round 5, 6 and 7, do a single crochet each for 32 stitches. For round 8, single crochet in the first, and then mark it, single crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next, and then increase in the next. Repeat in each for 40 stitches. Then for round 9 and 10, just single crochet each for 40 stitches. For round 11, do a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2, 3, and then do a front loop only, decrease in the next, repeat single crochet 1, 2, and 3, and then decrease in the next. Repeat around for 32 stitches. For round 12 and 13, do a single crochet each for 32 stitches. For round 14, single crochet in the next 2 chain or stitches, and then front loop only, decrease in the next. Repeat around for 24 stitches. Then for round 15 and 16, single crochet each for 24. Round 17, do a single crochet in the first, and then front loop only, decrease in the next. Repeat around for 16 stitches. For round 18, single crochet each for 16 stitches. Round 19, do a front loop only, decrease in each for 8 stitches around. Once done, cut a long yarn, pull this tail and take your darning needle and sew the 8 front loop only stitches. Now insert your darning needle on the front stitches here. To make the shape of the knot. Now for the eyes of walnut, round 1, do a magic ring, chain, and do 8 single crochet inside the ring. And then for round 2, do a single crochet in the first and then increase in the next. Repeat for 12 stitches around.